Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great Sunday and a great weekend. Well, as you can see, we have another unbagging. That means we have a review. Let's see who this is from. So I can get the bag open. Oops. Quite the bag. All right. Well, we have some cross stitches. All right. Let's see here. Make sure I got everything together there. Okay, this is going to be in two parts. This is from OneDaySaving. And let's see what we'll look at first. This one and this one. All right, let me just get those out of the way. And let's go with this one first. It's in a huge bag. It's not that big, I don't think. It says 30 by 65, so it's longer than it is anything else. Put the bag over there so it doesn't crinkle. All right, so these are roses. Aren't they beautiful? Just absolutely beautiful. Now this one was $9.61. It is a 30 by 65. Oh, this is different. It goes this way. Has 32 colors. Does this paper pattern will match the canvas. So lots of beautiful colors in here. Hopefully there's some really pretty pinks. We're kind of counting on it. Yes, very beautiful. And like I said, not too wide. Now this pattern would have to be blown up if you were going to use it. It is quite small. But it is an 11 count. And as you can see here, it says 11 count. And the product number is 1011. We'll set that over there and take a look at all those pretty colors. And it is a partial, so you will only do, you know, the stamped part. That is, if I can get the crazy... Oh, what's going the wrong way? Let's get that out of the way as well. So, 32 colors. So it does have some pinks in it. Hang on, there are no extra, what do you call it, hanks of color. But very beautiful pinks and like a dark rose, if you will. And then we have mauve and grays. And of course, greens. I just think it'll be beautiful. And some browns for the stems and that kind of thing. But just beautiful, beautiful pinks. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. They never failed to disappoint. They don't disappoint. That didn't come out right. You know what I mean. I'm never disappointed too often. I think I've had one other DIY that didn't turn out right, but other than that, nope. Oh, and I got it upside down, of course. Very well printed here. I was looking at the canvas, very nicely printed, very easy to read, or see the symbols, I should say. You're not reading it, you're seeing the symbols. It is 256 by 104. So, like I said, it's not very wide. Where is my measuring tape? It is serged all the way around, which is nice. They're coming up in the world. It is 65.5 centimeters. So it's a little bigger than it says. That way. And 30.5 centimeters this way, which is 12 inches. The actual picture size is, looks like 9.5 or 24.5 centimeters by, if I can get a hold of it without pulling it down, it's quite long, 59.5 centimeters or 23.5. So it's not too big, but it is confetti heavy. And with 32 colors, it should have beautiful, beautiful shading. Just gorgeous. Yeah, I love it. And it's not too expensive. It's under $10, which is very nice. Yeah, I think it'll be beautiful. Just gorgeous. Now this next one is quite big. It has a terrible picture, so I will put the picture here. All right. It is 100 by 37. And it was 15, looks like 1558. Let's get it out of the bag. Now I don't know if this came with the other one or not, or if it was just laying here, but there is a little toolkit. So I don't know if that came out. You probably, I can see afterwards, but not at this point. So, yeah. Now this one has a toolkit, and it is the birds as well. It has a poof ball, 5 needles, a thimble, and a needle, or a threader. Needle thread. Yeah, that's right. Let's take a look at the paper pattern. And as I said, this is a horrible picture. It's very, very pixelated. I don't know what happened. It's 407 by 135. So it's not too terribly wide. I don't know how much of this is going to show up, but it's a nice big pattern as far as that goes. Paper pattern, again, will match the printed canvas, if I could just talk. Yeah, I just thought this was beautiful. All those buildings, and it's going to be confettied. Has 50 colors, guys. 50 colors. 310, 550 purple, 823, 824, 826, which are 3 shades of blue. No 939, no 3371, and it does have 3865. It is full coverage. Very well printed pattern as far as that goes. It's nice and big and easy to read, but it is folded in half there. Let's take a look at the beautiful colors. Ooh, I see Hanks. And it says right on here 100 by 37 centimeters, and it does have the product number. So if you wanted to, you could keep your threads in the bag that it came in. Put that up there. We have a couple of Hanks. This is kind of like a pale mint green. It is 3756. And this is 3865. It's kind of a yellow white, you know, like an off-white. But I love that mint green. Oh, it is so pretty. So I'm taking it that that's part of the background or something that we need a lot of that color for. Must be in the background. Let me see if I can shake this out. They're all nice and long. Whoop, thought I had it. Look at those greens and the blues for the skies and the water. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And there isn't a sticker on here. Sometimes there is. Sometimes there isn't. I will write on the back of it, though. And that way, you know, with my Sharpie. And that way I know that it goes with this kit. Look at the rest of these colors. Oh my goodness. Look at the reds and the dark blues. And there's the black. There's probably 6, 7 strands, maybe. Greens and goldish browns, but the blues are just outstanding in this. there's the rest of them. There is a lot of blue in this. So, yeah, it's scaring me. It's scaring me. There's your 550 purple. Just beautiful, beautiful colors. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. They all go together. Yeah. This is smaller than... we got a straggler here. Hold that thought. Get up there, buddy. There you go. Whoa. Gotta have the others put with them. Let's take a look at this canvas. I got a feeling it's going to be quite confetti heavy. So we'll have to see how that goes. Don't know if I can get this measured, but it is very nicely printed though. You can see all the symbols very clearly. Let me flip it this way. Lots of different colors down there in that water in front of the buildings. Very nicely printed key. Did I say it was serged all the way around? Yeah. So, fun times ahead. Let me tell you. Let me see if I can measure it. We'll try. We'll give it the old college try here. I have been debating for a long time on getting this, and I'm not sure. I don't know where that pink came from. My goodness, we got stuff just attaching itself. So it is about 100.5 centimeters by 37.5 centimeters. Actual picture size is 31 centimeters, or 12.25 by hold that thought. Gotta get it to lay flat. By 90, we'll call it 93.5, or 36.75. So it's about 3 feet long, but it's at least not very wide. I like that. I just hope that all the details and stuff will show up. We'll have to wait and see how that goes. But a very nice kit. And I like that it's very well printed in dark colors. You know, very nice. Very nice. Very easy to see. Because you're going to need it. We will see. But there are a lot of... There's a lot of confetti. Yeah. A lot. Let's put that back in there. Alright. So, join me next week on Sunday, and I will have part 2 of my review for DP Clubs. I mean, DP Clubs. For OneDaySaving. Sorry, guys. Some days. Now, they do usually have shipping over... for orders over $50. They have pre-stamped and counted cross-stitch, diamond painting, paint by number. They also do custom. I'm not sure what they do it on. Sometimes they do it on all 3 of the diamond painting, cross-stitch, and paint by number. You'd have to check that out. They have paper quilling, and they have some small beaded cross-stitch, nothing real big. They have tools and crafts for everything, which is very nice. And I don't know if they have a separate Joy Sundays section or not, but do check them out. They always have great prices and easy to navigate website. Thank you, OneDaySaving, for sending me these beautiful kits. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.